Hello, I'm Amaryllis and I will show you how to make mini pumpkins with toilet paper rolls. To make this easy craft you will need toilet paper rolls, yarn and branches. Take a cardboard roll and cut it in the middle. Cut small notches all around the edge. Fold the little flaps in. Okay, this is what you must have at this point. And you just do the same on the other side. Cut small notches. And again fold them all around the edge. Now you have the cardboard shape to make the mini pumpkin. Take the yarn and cut a piece of it. Start wrapping the yarn around the cardboard. Wrap the yarn around the cardboard roll and don't tighten it too much. If you need more yarn to complete your pumpkin, just cut another piece of yarn. Make a knot between the two ends and keep wrapping it. I give you a tip to make this craft easier. Cut a piece of tape, it can be washi tape or masking tape, whatever, and you can wrap it around the end of the yarn. So it will stiffen a little the yarn and make kind of a wrapped needle, and you can pass the yarn very easily through the pumpkin and keep wrapping all the yarn. I trim the excess of tape and ready. It's much easier to keep wrapping the yarn around the cardboard that way. When the cardboard is covered and you are satisfied with the pumpkin shape, you can just cut the extra yarn length and you can just hide the end of the yarn inside the pumpkin. To make the pumpkin stem, just take a branch, cut a piece of branch at the pumpkin size and stuck it in the pumpkin center. And done, a cute little pumpkin. You can make any pumpkin as you like, as many colors as you want. Enjoy this cute fall craft. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and fun craft ideas.